Concerns this evening that residents in St. Elizabeth who are unable to purchase building materials have been reusing items dumped in Independence Park in the parish. We spoke with one resident who said he's left with little choice. Details in this report.
There's a saying that one man's trash is another man's treasure. This is Independence Park, St. Elizabeth. It's where hurricane debris removed during the emergency response phase is being temporarily stored. It's also where we met Robert Tennant. He was searching through the rubble for material to effect repairs to his house.
Well, run out of stuff, you know. I want to build up my house and my house stay right down. You see, I'm in the snow help as yet. So I cannot wait for the government. They have to make a start for myself and me out the door.
The 63-year-old says it was his first time being here after hearing about it.
Yeah, I find a little board and find a little board, yeah? I zinc them, mash up, zinc them, can't do nothing.
Mr. Tennant resides in Brompton in the parish. He knows going through the discarded material could be dangerous as nails and other sharp material are all around. But it's a risk he was willing to take. In making the announcement recently, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the site cannot remain in its current state. He has formally tasked the Urban Development Corporation, UDC, with responsibility for cleaning up the town. This is expected to start sometime this week. Until then, the site remains a source for persons like Mr. Tennant without the means to purchase material for shelter. And while many may see this as waste,
That's what we so wicked and bad. Yeah. God has provided for us, said we.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.